Hi everybody, I am back. Today I am going to make a very interesting activity with you. Actually, the sand. Everybody play the sand. But today I am going to make a kinetic sand. Do you heard about that one? No? Okay. I'm going to show you how to make a kinetic sand. Ready? Okay. Here is the sand, our regular play sand. Okay. This is our regular play sand. And we need a cornstarch. And we need a water. And we need a dishwashing soap. Ready? We are going to make a kinetic sand. Okay. I want to put 6 cups of regular sand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cups of sand. Next, I'm going to add the cornstarch. 1½ spoon, 1½ cup cornstarch I'm going to add. Ready? This is a 1 cup. Okay. And ½ cup. Now I want to mix together. Ready? You want to help me to mix together? Ready? Now I want to put a water. 1 cup of water and 2 spoon dishwashing soap. Ready? 1 and 2. Now I want to add the water. 1 cup of water. Inside the soap ball. And mix it until the bubbles come. You see? And now I'm going to add the dishwashing soap and water together in your sandbox. Ready? You have to put a little bit. If you want more water, you can add more water. Okay? And you will see how is kinetic sand is coming. This is really soft and you can play. If you want to put the food coloring, you can put the food coloring. Yeah, any color, red or green or blue, what color you like it, you can make it. Yeah, you see, you want to see my kinetic sand? You see, very soft. This texture is very soft, very good to play. Okay everybody, have fun, enjoy with the kinetic sand. See you next time.